Hi, good evening everyone. Today I have an unboxing from the 22S Spring and Summer collection. I know I haven't been filming for some time because I've been pretty busy, and to be honest, I'm feeling a bit unmotivated to film, so I didn't really stress myself out, as the purpose of this YouTube channel is really just to enjoy the journey. This is from the 22S collection. You see here, means that this is a seasonal bag. It comes in 3 sizes: the mini, the small, and I think there's a bigger size. This is in a size small because the mini would have been around the same size as a mini square, and from what I can remember, my mini square could only fit a phone, which I was hoping for the bag to fit more than that. So first of all, let me just slowly rotate the bag such that you can see the dimensions as well how it looks like from either side. It's pretty, because of the chain, it's pretty heavy. If you carry it, you can feel the weight going down, but most of the time when I want to store it, I will store it like flat out like that so that it does not pull down on the bag. So the leather is made of lambskin, and to be honest, I don't have any issues with lambskin at all so far. My minis, as you know, are made in lambskin, and my favorite classic flap is also the lambskin version. So I have a few Chanel bags now. I've never seen them make a cool bag with the oversized chain strap like this. As you can see, it's made of aged gold hardware. I don't have any issues with the hardware so far, and the straps are lambskin as well, so eventually it's going to show signs of usage. But personally for me, even if the strap has signs of usage, it doesn't really bother me unless it's showing on the back, which obviously it isn't at all right now. So let me know what you think about this design, because it's not really that much of a Chanel classic. It is not a classic flap, it is not a cocoa handle structured, it's made of lambskin with it's almost like a miniature Chanel 19, and then they added the chunky straps. The thing that I like to unbox with you guys is a card holder, and this card holder is from the 22S collection as well. It's in pure white. It's literally true white. It's not ivory or has any creamy yellow undertones. It's just pure white, and I really love this design. I mean, there's a few SLGs that I collect, the mini OKs, the zip coin purse, and not so much the flat card holder because I have a lot of cards. But I need something that can fit my house keys, which is pretty sharp and can scratch leather. So I like that this can actually perform that function. You can see that there's a lot of space here. I can fit a card here, and there's also a back pocket here. So I got this in white. This is actually one of the colors as well from the 22S. And this is in gold hardware. It's not that obvious against the white, so it's almost like a champagne gold, but based on the product code, it's definitely gold. Okay, so this is the second item that I got.